Once upon a time, there was Tsuro and Gudo. Tsuro would call Gudo his uncle and Gudo would call Tsuro his nephew. They loved each other dearly. One day, Tsuro said to Gudo, "Uncle, I invite you to a rabbit festival. Whoever comes to the festival should come with washed hands." Uncle Gudo happily accepted the terms. Tsuro then bent a fire guard around his village. The following day, Gudo took to the road on his way to the festival. When he arrived, Tsuro greeted him saying, "Hello, uncle. Can we see your hands?" Gudo's hands were dirty from the burnt field. Tsuro said, "Uncle, go back and wash your hands," as agreed. Gudo went back to wash his hands. In the meantime, Tsuro and his gang went partying away and eating. When Gudo came back, Tsuro asked, "Have you washed your hands, uncle? Let's see." On showing his hands, Tsuro sent him back once again, and again, and again. The last time Gudo came, Tsuro said to him, "Uncle, now the food is finished, and your hands are still dirty. The next festival is on you." Gudo dropped his face and went straight to the home with much distress.